I'm going to show you how to open the menu in Parsec. So there's actually two types of menus in Parsec. The first one is the Parsec app menu, which you can access by pressing the gear icon right here for the settings. And the second menu is the session menu or the overlay, which you can usually access by pressing the hotkey combination of Control, Shift, and then M. And this should open up the menu. But it works only if you are connected to a session on the host. And if you want to see that, you can check it here where I have my mobile device connected to the host computer, which is my main PC. And you should be able to see a Parsec logo on the top left, which you can click on to access the menu as well. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.